Here are 3 tips for using social media without destroying your self-esteem. For Thriveworks News, I'm Zach Flanagan. Many of us scroll through social media on a daily basis, and our self-esteem takes a hit in the process. Why? Because social media is a highlight reel. In other words, people usually only share things like positive news and the most flattering of photos. As a result, we sometimes feel insecure about our own lives. So, how can we use social media without hurting our self-esteem? Here's 3 simple tips. 1. Unfollow accounts that don't benefit you. You shouldn't follow people and pages that impact you in a negative way. Unfollow celebrities or even old friends from college who posts make you feel insecure or less than. 2. Follow accounts that do benefit you. These accounts will fill your feeds with helpful, inspiring, and feel-good messages. For example, if you enjoy cooking, follow foodies who share delicious recipes. Or if you love to travel, follow world travelers. It's that simple. 3. Limit time spent on social media. Even if you only follow accounts that serve to inspire you or make you feel good, too much scrolling time can still have negative effects. Try to cap your social media time at 30 minutes a day. This is the sweet spot according to the research published in the Journal of Social and Clinical Psychology. These 3 tips will help you use social media without harming your self-esteem. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch another video, click here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.